solution which I had mixed in water, the soap water, that is a base, the turmeric water, this is an indicator, and I have made litmus papers which were soaked in turmeric water. And there are two acids with me, that is lemon water, citric acid, and vinegar, acetic acid. And now I am going to first test the soap water is a base or not. I am going to take some turmeric water and pour it in this small glass. And again I am going to take some soap water and pour in this. See here, this turned red, so this indicates this is a base. Again I am going to test this with an acid. Again I am taking some turmeric water and pour it. And I am taking some lemon water, that is citric acid. Again mixing it in this. There's no change, it's just yellow as it is. So this indicates it is an acid. And now I am going to test these with the litmus paper. I am going to take a litmus paper and take some toothpaste solution in this. And I am going to pour it. After some time, this will turn into light orange. That indicates this is a weak base. And now I am going to test this with an acid. I am going to take vinegar, that is acetic acid, and pour this on it. There's no change, it's again in yellow. So this indicates vinegar, that is acetic acid, as an acid. And now I am going to test the soap solution. And I poured it. This turned red immediately, so this indicates this is a stronger base than the toothpaste solution. And I am again going to test this with citric acid, that is lemon water. Poured it on it. It's yellow as it is. This indicates lemon water as an acid. See, in this time, this turned into a light red in this part. This indicates this is also a base, but a weak base. Thank you.